Hare Krishna everyone, Radhe Radhe. I hope all of you are doing well. Once again, I am back with another video and I hope that you guys are enjoying your Pona Sankranti. A very happy Pona Sankranti to all of you. Today we are going to discuss shloka number 3 from chapter 2 Bhagavad Gita. I know it has been a long break. I was keeping up with my health. So now let's get started with our shloka. So the shloka starts like Klebyam masma gama partha naitatva vai upadpadyate shudram hridaya palyam tyaktvotishtha parantapaha, which means, हे प्रथा पुत्र, इस हीन नपुंसकता को प्राप्त मत हो, यह तुम्हें शोभा नहीं देती। हे शत्रुओं के दमन करता, हृदय की शूद्र दुर्बलता को त्याग कर युद्ध के लिए खड़े हो। अर्जुन को प्रथा पुत्र के रूप में संबोधित किया गया है। प्रथा कृष्ण के पिता वसुदेव की बहन थी, अतः कृष्ण के साथ अर्जुन का रक्त संबंध था। यदि क्षत्रिय पुत्र लड़ने से मना करता है तो वह नाम का क्षत्रिय है, और यदि ब्राह्मण पुत्र अपवित्र कार्य करता है तो वह नाम का ब्राह्मण है। ऐसे क्षत्रिय तथा ब्राह्मण अपने पिता के अयोग्य पुत्र होते हैं। अतः कृष्ण यह नहीं चाहते थे कि अर्जुन अयोग्य क्षत्रिय पुत्र कहलाए। अर्जुन कृष्ण का घनिष्ठतम मित्र था और कृष्ण प्रत्यक्ष रूप से उसके रथ का संचालन कर रहे थे, किंतु इन सब गुणों के होते हुए भी यदि अर्जुन युद्ध भूमि को छोड़ता है तो वह अत्यंत निंदनीय कार्य करेगा। अतः कृष्ण ने कहा कि ऐसी प्रवृत्ति अर्जुन के व्यक्तित्व को शोभा नहीं देती। अर्जुन यह तर्क कर सकता था कि वह परम पूज्य भीष्म तथा स्वजनों के प्रति उदार दृष्टिकोण के कारण युद्ध भूमि छोड़ रहा है, किंतु कृष्ण ऐसी उदारता को केवल हृदय दौर्बल्य मानते हैं। ऐसी झूठी उदारता का अनुमोदन एक भी शास्त्र नहीं करता। अतः अर्जुन जैसे व्यक्ति को कृष्ण के प्रत्यक्ष निर्देशन में ऐसी उदारता या तथाकथित अहिंसा का परित्याग कर देना चाहिए। So over here, as we discussed, Arjuna wants to give up because of his heart's weakness, which is also compassion in a very deep form. But here there's a negative side to that compassion. Arjun is giving up the fight that he's not supposed to give up, something that will not just affect his kingdom and the rest of the people, but it will also affect his lineage ahead. So this is what Krishna is calling as importance. So Krishna is saying that this is not like you, Arjuna. This is something that you're doing against your own characteristic. So what happens is, Shri Krishna tells him that, O chastiser of the enemy, please rise, because right now is the time for you to rise and fight against anything that is wrong at the first place. So son of Partha means, actually it refers to Arjuna, because Partha is Arjuna's mother, who is Kunti, who is also a sister of Vasudeva, and Vasudeva is Shri Krishna's father. So Shri Krishna and Arjuna are related in blood. So what happens is, here Shri Krishna says that if a son of Kshatriya, he gives up fighting, which is his only duty, then he is not a worthy son. At the same time, if a son of a Brahmana conducts any sort of impious act, then he is just Brahmana in name only, but not through his actions. So, what happens is, both of them will be considered unworthy sons of their father. And Sri Krishna was afraid that as he was Arjuna's friend, he did not want Arjuna to go through the same situation. That's why he was guiding Arjuna as his closest friend and guide, that you should not be doing something like this because you are a worthy son and you must act accordingly. So Arjuna cannot give up. That's what Sri Krishna is saying. Such behavior does not fit Arjuna and his character and his valor in the past and his excellence. So here Sri Krishna, as in Arjuna, wanted to give up for his family and relatives, whereas Krishna knew it would be a wrong act, right? Such non violence is equal to cowardice, right? And something that is extremely important for us to understand is that Sri Krishna is someone who would guide in the best possible way, right? Instead of telling Arjuna to consistently choose non-violence, here Sri Krishna tells Arjuna that you have to choose violence, and here you have to stand up for yourself and the kingdom that you've been given the responsibility of. There are so many people who are looking up to you, so it is not just something about you, but it is also about something that will affect the future and the dynasty in general, and also the general praja, as in people. So you must make sure that you're not deciding just for yourself, but you're also deciding for the rest of the people. Now, as a Kshatriya, it is your duty to get back up and fight against something that is wrong, to fight against adharma, because I am here with you, I am guiding you. There is nothing in the world that you should be worried and afraid about, because nothing is as strong and as great as me. That is what Sri Krishna is saying. Obviously, he's not saying it in his own arrogance or anything. He's just talking about the truth, that if I am with you and all the divine forces are with you, you do not have to worry about going against anybody, because at the end of the day, if you're doing something that is for the right of everybody and also for your own self, there is nothing you should be afraid of. So keep moving ahead. I am here. Fight this war and rise up. That's what he's trying to say. So enough for today's learning. I hope you guys understood certain bits of how Sri Krishna is trying to explain Arjuna, and how we all need Sri Krishna in our lives to guide us in certain parts of our life where we feel confused, where we feel like maybe giving up is the best option. But Sri Krishna is someone who not just makes you realize about your inner courage when you forget it, he also shows you the right path, and he stands beside you like a support system. So it's extremely important that we connect to God on a deeper level daily, and that gives rise to more power to be able to perform the righteous acts that you perform every day. Alright, enough for today's lessons. Till I'm going to be back tomorrow, and till then, take care of yourself. Have a happy learning and happy Pana Sankranti once again. And yeah, I'll see you next tomorrow with the next shloka. Till then, share my videos and also make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified about it. Because learning is a process and it's a daily process. So the better we do it daily, the better it is for all of us. All right. Take care. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.